The quality of your life depends on so many factors, right? What are those factors? Quality of education, mindset, attitude, hard work, discipline, efforts, behavior, attitude, dedication, commitment, right? The power of listening is also very, very important. Listen, always listen to understand. Okay? Always listen to understand. If you are failing to understand, that means you will never ever become a topper in your life. You have fought the biggest battle in your mom's womb and you had the ability to take birth. It's a practical thing. You were capable of winning billions of other cells. You were capable of, beating them in the race, and you became the powerful in your mother's womb, and you struggled, you strived really, really, really hard to become a winner in your mom's womb, and because you became a winner in your mom's womb, you are now living a life in this world. You fought the battle, remember that. The kind of dedication you had, the kind of passion you had, the kind of efforts you invested, the kind of commitment you had to win the race in your mom's womb, if you can demonstrate the same kind of dedication, passion, efforts, commitment here in this life, in this world, even 10% of that, you will become unstoppable in your life. You will not only become good, you will not only become better, you will become the best of the best in whatever you do in your life. The beginning is here. Where is the beginning? It's here. You have to decide here, no matter what, I am going to become the best. No matter what, I am going to do the best of the best to achieve the best. No matter what, I am going to make my parents really, really proud by doing all the good things in my life. You have to decide here. You may be having the ability to score second class now, but don't you think you have the ability to push yourself hard to become the first class holder? You can and you will. The question is, are you ready to push yourself hard? Are you ready to invest that extra time, energy, efforts, and then take one step ahead every single day and then become better? That's the question for you. Are you ready or no? If you are ready, then I'm going to share some of the interesting practical things. If you can follow that every single day, no matter what, you will become unstoppable in your life. You will become unstoppable in your life. It doesn't matter whether you score 99%, 100%, or even you score just first class. I'm a first class holder. Even if you score first class, you can do wonders in the world. Nobody can stop you. Nobody can stop you. There is only one person who can stop you. Do you know who that person is? There is only one person who can stop you to succeed. There is only one person who can stop you to become the best of the best in whatever you do in your life. Do you know who that person is? Who is that person? Is it your mom? Is it your dad? Is it your teacher? Is it your principal? Who is that person? Who is that person? It's you. It's you and only you. You are responsible for your life. Remember that. If you stop yourself, then it's a full stop. You are like living dead body. You're walking, but you're dead. You're sleeping, but you're dead. You're eating, but you're dead. And you're just like a living dead body. Now, the question is, do you want to stop yourself to succeed? Or do you want to push yourself to become a failure in life? Push. You want to become a failure in life? Yes, you need to fail in life. You need to fail in life. I will tell you where you need to fail in life. You need to fail in becoming lazy. You need to fail in becoming indisciplined person. You need to fail in disrespecting people. You need to fail in becoming ignorant. You need to fail in becoming a careless person. You need to fail in becoming a poor person. You need to fail in failing in your life. Are you with me? Yes or no? Do you understand? Are you understanding? Yes or no? Mind is a thought generating machine. I can say that. Mind is a software. Okay? What is mind? Mind is like a software. It's a thought generating machine. Thousands of thoughts enter. Every single day, 60,000 thoughts enter in our mind. How many? 60,000 thoughts every single day. And the quality of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. Okay? The quality of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. And the question is, how many of those thoughts are positive and how many of those thoughts are negative? Agree? Okay? Now, everything starts here. And you need to do what? You need to feed positivity in your mind. It's important. It's a very powerful thing. The more you feed positivity in your mind, you can do wonders. No doubt about it. I was saying, you need to start here. And whatever happens in reality, it's the outcome of what you feed to your mind. Okay? The question is, will you wait for the future to happen, or तुम्हारा फोकस, तुम्हारा डायरेक्शन, तुम्हारी सोच, तुम्हारे ड्रीम्स के ऊपर रहना? सो कौन आपको तुमने डिस्ट्रैक्ट करे तो भी डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होना. नहीं, आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम द बेस्ट. मैं दुनिया का, इंडिया का नंबर 1 IAS ऑफिसर बनना चाहता हूं. मैं इंडिया का द बेस्ट डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूं. मैं इंडिया का द बेस्ट इंजीनियर, लॉयर, प्रोफेसर, टीचर, जो भी बनना चाहती तुम्हें बेस्ट बनो 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 बनो. बन सकती तुम्हें. अब नहीं तो कब? बुढ़ा हो गया बाद में. कब? अब शुरू करो तुम्हारा जर्नी, फिर जाओ इंशाल्लाह कैसा जाता है. तुम्हें एक नहीं बदलती तुम्हारी जिंदगी, तुम्हारे घर वालों की जिंदगी, तुम्हारे खानदान की, हमारे कौम की जिंदगी, सब कुछ तुम्हें चेंज कर सकती. सारे इंडिया को तुम्हें ऊपर ले जा सकती. तुम्हें वो कैपेसिटी है तुम्हारे में. समझ में आ रहा है? लेकिन क्या है? वो शौक जज्बा ने है. दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम. कैपेसिटी जबरदस्त है. तुम्हें चाहे तो कुछ भी कर सकती. तुम्हें और एक APJ अब्दुल कलाम बन सकती. तुम्हें no doubt about it. The question is, are you ready to take the right actions from today to make your life beautiful, to make your family members' life beautiful, to make the community more beautiful? कौन देखे तो भी वाह मुसलमान रहे, ऐसे रहना रहे मुसलमान. खाली टोपी पहन लेने से मुसलमान नहीं, खाली दाढ़ी छोड़ने से मुसलमान नहीं, खाली जुबा पहनने से मुसलमान नहीं, सिर्फ हिजाब बुरखा पहनने से मुसलमान है. वो that's just an identity, external identity. कौन सा आइडेंटिटी? वो एक्सटर्नल आइडेंटिटी. तुम्हें देखो, बाहर देखो, भिखारियां हमारे आइडेंटिटी में ही, टोपी, जुब्बा, बुरखे. मुसलमान तो तुमने भिखारियां रहे उनो. ये हमारा आइडेंटिटी. हमारा इस्लाम दीन बोलता है पाक सफाई हमारा आधा ईमान. सबसे गंदे कौन? मुसलमान. कई को भाई कि बोला इल्म नहीं है, इल्म से भाग रही हूं. शैतान उनको इल्म से डाइवर्ट कर रहा है. पढ़ो नो करे, पढ़े तो क्या, यहां देख रहे मजे ही देख रहे. कचरा में मजा है रे तुमना, गंदगी में मजा है रे तुमना. ये सब कई कुरे शैतान डाल रहे. थॉट्स ये पढ़ो पढ़ो पढ़ो, पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. तुम्हें पढ़े तो तुम्हारी जिंदगी बंचे, बिगड़ती नहीं. ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस, ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस. मेरा जो मैसेज था तुमने आज मिला, तो सोच बनो, बेस्ट बनो, और तुम्हें पैदा होकर इनसे पढ़ने के वास्ते जिंदगी भर पढ़ो. ठीक है? पढ़ाई जो पढ़ाई है नहीं, वो शुरू होती सो माँ की गोद से और खत्म होती सो खबर के गोद में. जब तक हमें मरते नहीं तब तक हमें पढ़ते रहना. पढ़ो. ऐसा नहीं कि तुम्हें सब्जेक्ट चीज पढ़ना कर को क्या भी जरूरी नहीं. पढ़ो जो भी पढ़ती, तुम्हें देखे तो भी वो एक इंफॉर्मेशन जाता है तुमना, एक टच करे तो भी इंफॉर्मेशन जा रहा है तुमना, राइट, सुने तो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है। तो ऑब्जर्व करो चीजों को, एनालाइज करो, ये कहीं को हो रहा है, एनालाइज करना तुम्हें, व्हाई इज दिस हैपनिंग, ये पूछो व्हाई, कहीं को हो रहा है, कहीं को एनालाइज करो। इंशाल्लाह तुम्हारा जो माइंडसेट है, थॉट प्रोसेस जो है तुम्हारा एनहांस होता है, इंक्रीज होता है। तो इंशाल्लाह यू नो यू विल बिकम बेटर वर्जन ऑफ योरसेल्फ इन द फ्यूचर, यू विल बिकम द बेस्ट, no doubt about it, right? Inshallah, I am sure and confident that you will do, you will achieve, and no doubt you will make yourself proud, you will make your parents proud, you will make the nation proud, and you'll become the best of the best in whatever you do, and you'll be the best daughter, best son, best sister, best brother, best wife, best husband in the future, inshallah. No doubt you become the best, inshallah. You will attract the best of the best in your life, right? Do you want to attract the best, or do you want to attract the worst? Best, yeah. If you want to attract the best in every stage, every walk of your life, then you need to work hard, stay focused, and have a dream to become the best, right? So that's very, very important. So with this message, I wish you all the very, very best in every walk of your life. It can be the physical walk of life, mental walk of life, intellectual, emotional. Then we have the intelligence, physically, mentally, emotionally, intellectually, financially, and spiritually, right? So these are the important areas of your life. I pray Allah that may He make you physically strong, mentally strong, emotionally strong, intellectually strong, financially and spiritually very, very, very strong. So, Jazakallah khair. Thank you so much.